Hello, this is Tomlin from TomlinHarmonicaLessons.com, and today I am going to show you the best warm-up if you are a complete beginner on the instrument. But before I do that, if you want to support the channel, then please subscribe, hit that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notified when I upload a new harmonica video, which is every Wednesday. Okay, so for this warm-up, you will need a C harmonica. We're playing in second position in the key of G. And before I show you the warm-up, I'm just going to explain to you why it's so important that you do warm up. So there are a number of different benefits from this. The first one is that warming up helps you to relax and get into the right frame of mind for practicing. And that's important because if you're not in the right frame of mind for practicing, and if you're not relaxed, you're just going to be playing things over and over and not improving. So being relaxed and focused is absolutely essential. Warming up is also great for helping to develop your muscle memory, which is really important in the early stages of playing harmonica, because there are some essential things that you need to incorporate before you can really go far with the instrument. Things like natural breathing, playing clean single notes, and how to move around the harmonica. And then finally, a warm-up is a great way to help build up your strength and stamina. So when beginners first start playing, they struggle to play for very long, especially with chugging rhythms and long phrases. So warm-ups will help you to build up your strength for that. Okay, so the first bit of warm-up that I think is absolutely essential, which will really help you with your breathing, which most beginners really struggle with, is doing a train chug. So it'll sound like this. Okay, so I'm going to go through this very quickly, how to play the train rhythm, but if you want a more in-depth lesson, then you can just click on the little link up there that's coming up, or you can click in the description below and that'll take you to my full free lesson on train rhythms. Okay, so train chugging, you're going to be playing chords, so that's 3 holes simultaneously, or more than 3, but for us we're going to do 3 holes. We're going to play holes 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to do draw, blow. Okay, and while you're doing that, you're going to say nucka on the in breath and tucka on the out breath. So tucka, 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 tucka. So see, I'm actually saying that, and I'm being very careful to really articulate the hard consonants of the K's and the T's, because that's what's going to give us the train rhythm. So let's try that together. Okay, so what a lot of people will find is that they overinflate if they do this for too long. So you need to find a way to dissipate some of the extra air around the harmonica. So what I do when I'm breathing out, when I'm saying tucka, I release my lips slightly so that some of the air goes either side of the harmonica rather than just through it. That means I can get rid of the excess air. So there, I'm releasing my lips, okay? So let's try doing that together, and we're going to try and play it for about a minute without stopping, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, a minute feels like a really long time, doesn't it? And if you found that you were running out of air and you weren't able to play for the whole minute, don't worry. Start by aiming for 30 seconds or 15 seconds. But it's all about building up that stamina, and that will really help your breathing. Because breathing is a difficult thing to learn, it's a difficult thing to fix, but if you give your body the opportunity to work out how to do it by doing these kind of exercises, it will work it out, I promise you, okay? So that's your train chugging, that's the first part of the warm-up, and you should be feeling like playing some harmonica now. So the next part of the warm-up, which is a lot less exciting, but I think it's just as important, is playing a scale. And I suggest that you play a C major scale in first position, which is going to sound like this. Okay, so that was starting on the 4-blow, 4-blow, 4-draw, 5-blow, 5-draw, 6-blow, 6-draw, 7-draw, 7-blow. And then we reverse and come back down. So let's try that together. We're going to play quarter notes. That's a note that lasts for a beat. And we're going to do it 3 times up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, excellent. That is you all warmed up and ready to practice some blues harmonica. And if you want some stuff to practice and you want to go deeper with this kind of thing, then I suggest you take my free 4-week foundation course for complete beginners, which will take you from what harmonica you need, how to hold it, how to breathe, how to play clean notes, all the way through to chugging and improvising simple blues over 12-bar progressions. So all you need to do to get that is click on the little link up here or the link in the description to the free 4-week foundation course. But before you do that, you can do a little something for me. If you've enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I put out a new harmonica lesson every Wednesday. And if you want to be notified of that, hit that little bell icon next to the subscribe button and you'll get a notification every time I put a new video up. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Happy harping!